di test sa akin. Hindi bisa. Botalo ko amin nung kolosile. No, amin nung lo kaya pa ng basta hinkadede of basta sempre ting joke lang asina. Pero tamit medyo bisa o importante pa hinan sa ako. I-test sa akin na necessário. Bubuhas i-test sa sangue. Pero toch timbiag lo tumo pa cada tanto ay buhas ele e busaki kita pero hupin nos como hinawa bro saki ko kikita kita. Vou prevenir, vou buscar para uma vida mesmo. Assim, sa akin na tempo e na hora para buscar kiko buting. No sing awe Arsenio. Good morning. Hi, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic, my friend. I'm doing great. I can't complain.
Are you fantastic? What do you mean with that?
I'm doing fine. My heart is beating. You know, I'm full of energy. You know, ready for the day. Ready for the day.
Gumbs, you were yesterday. You did the test. Color test. Tell us a little about it. How was it? When did you go and
register
everything?
and all that?
Yeah.
Okay. Why did you find it necessary to do?
I find it necessary to do because if you guys check it out, colon cancer is one of the a very serious disease, men and women, and if you don't check it in time, it can be very, very, very difficult, right? You don't want to get into sugar-coated water. You know, sugar-coated water. I should have listened to Alex, because if I did listen to Alex, you know, I would have done something, you know, and then I would have been in this situation. So the sugar-coated water. And a lot of, there's a thing going around where it's scary, finger and all of that. No, there's none of that. It takes a while. When you register, it takes about 3-4 months, depending on the...
3-4 months?
Yeah, 3-4 months.
Okay.
Can also be 5 months before they call you and tell you, schedule your appointment. And in the beginning of the year, I scheduled my appointment and I got my appointment yesterday.
By the house doctor, or how did you?
Yeah, it has to go to your home doctor.
Okay.
I guess I drive my home doctor crazy because I'm very, very in tune with my body. Your body is something very so special. It gives you signs when something is wrong, and if you don't adhere to those signs, then you're going to be in the sugar-coated water again. You know. So it gives you signs. So actually, a friend of mine had colon cancer, and luckily they found it out early, in an early stage, so they could have done something about it. And because of him, he was just telling me, Arsenio, you got to do it, especially when you reach a certain age. You got to do it.
What is a certain age? They say 40 years and up.
Yeah, 40 years and up. After 40. And I reached a certain age already.
Okay.
Right? So
you passed 40 already?
I passed 40 already, yeah. Few days ago.
Few decades, you mean.
How is the test? How is the procedure of the test?
When I went to the doctor, they say they're going to sedate me, so they're going to probably put me to sleep because I don't want to feel anything at all. You can do whatever you want as long as I'm sleeping. Okay, don't understand at all, right? Anyway, the procedure is very, very easy. Actually, you go there, you sign up, and then and you go in a room.
Yeah, but there's a few things that you have to do one day before, right?
Oh, there's certain things you have to do a lot of days before.
You don't have to like clean it all.
Oh, yeah, well, okay, yeah. You have to
explain.
What will happen is you get a paper, and the paper has instructions what you have to do from the third day before, right? So you have to like eat light food, liquid, a lot of liquid, you know, soups, nothing heavy. And let's say I did it on Wednesday, Tuesday, 12 o'clock in the day. From then, no more eating. So from Tuesday afternoon, 12 p.m., no more eating, only drinking water, drinking liquids, and then 6 o'clock in the afternoon, you have to drink this special solution to flush you out. And then you got to wake up 4 o'clock in the morning for the second round of flushing out, right? And nothing to eat. When you go into the hospital, you have to be really nüchtern, like how they say. And the procedure is very nice, very, very, very easy, actually. Comfortable, very comfortable.
In the hospital?
In the hospital, yeah. They what they did with me then, they gave me a kind of sedation thing here in the arm, right? And I thought I was going to sleep. I thought I was going to fall asleep and get up, you know.
Yeah.
No, I didn't fall asleep at all, man. I noticed, I see everything. They was talking to me. in the in the
You're
conversation
just
in the conversation I asked her, when you guys gonna start? She said, we're nearly finished.
Wow.
Oh no.
So while
You didn't feel nothing.
nothing at all. But I was wide awake. I don't know, something they gave you maybe just to
Nenhum pressão.
relax the muscles or the what have you. And they was in there and they was looking at things and I was talking to the next nurse, talking to her about my show on Cool FM.
All right.
and
A casual conversation happening.
yeah.
And you don't even know what's
But I think is a
you going naked? Naked? Completely naked?
Getting you listen.
no, you don't be naked, Alex. They
I
give you a
ask you.
special boxer shorts cut in the back.
Ah, okay.
What?
It's
Easy
like
access.
a boxer short,
Boxer short, yes.
but in the back is open.
Okay.
There's a slice in the back, so they don't see nothing. They don't see anything at all.
Do they sell it
And,
normally?
Excuse me?
Normally
No.
you can buy only there.
No. That's only at the hospital you can get stay.
In the Sukara.
Why? There's something good for you? Is something good for you?
I just asked, man. I just asked.
Okay,
No, so what they do,
I
they cover you, and then you have this special boxer shorts like with a split in the back. You lay on your side,
Okay.
and they do the thing.
Okay.
You don't feel nothing at all. So I was waiting to fall asleep because I thought they was gonna put me to sleep. I was wide awake, and they do it in a nice way. You know, they have how you laying down. One nurse is talking to you, like keeping you off balance, right? They're keeping you off balance. That's why I was talking. Hey, boy, you gotta listen to my show, and I'm there talking, while the others in the back doing this stuff.
So the guy they do it or lady?
No, I was so lucky. I had 4 women around me, man.
4 women?
I'm blessed.
Oh my
I'm
God.
so blessed.
4.
Yeah,
Not 1, but 4 women.
4 at the same time. You think you can handle that? 4 women?
If you can, I can with 3, but not with 4.
No, but the whole thing about the colon is, I think it's very important for everybody to do it, men and women. But the thing is, women are more subjective to that. Women will do it quicker than a man
Yeah,
because
we don't even need sedation, I think.
no,
And
because
that's how open we are.
Oh.
We're getting to sedation.
okay.
Oh.
Wait a minute.
No, wag. Basta blowing things out of proportion. Wait, set a break and up. What I meant was, we are so open on getting
On other
procedures
stuff.
done.
Yeah.
I mean, we
are
birth
so
a whole
open.
human, you know. So I don't think. I mean, obviously, like for example, pop test. You know what that is?
Yes, I know what that is.
They don't use lube anymore.
Yeah. Okay.
So now it's just. So we are, yeah.
They just press it down like
Yeah.
that. Oh my gosh.
So we are known. I feel like women are more responsible.
Yes, they are.
Yeah.
Like if you go to church, there's 10 people in church. 10 people in church. 9 are women. 1 man.
So you
to
mean
speak. the women are more subjective to these kind.
Yeah.
Men, not only in Aruba, all around the world, men are men, you know, and we are like, yeah.
And it's also a very like a
But-
very like, what's the right word for it? So people are like, oh yeah, you did the colon test, haha. You must have liked it, you know.
Yeah,
Oh,
but-
I loved
yeah.
it. I loved it.
Women.
Yeah, but a lot of people
You
saying
don't
that.
have that.
They're saying it's painful. You're putting
No.
your hand in you.
Okay.
You're gonna like it.
No.
If you like it, you're in trouble.
No.
And all those
Okay,
jokes.
Now I have a question. I don't know if you want to share this. The after part. Did you feel a difference? Did it hurt?
No, it didn't hurt.
Okay.
No, actually, it didn't. Like I said, they have a special way in doing it. While one is talking to you, keeping you off track, the others are behind you doing what they have to do, right? And I was surprised that I was wide awake all the way through. And when you finish, they just roll you back out in the small place. You change your clothes and you walk out.
Oh.
Oh wow.
No
okay.
pain, nothing.
Okay.
And if I love it, I love it. I really love it.
But you didn't feel nothing, so you can say nothing.
You can't even say that you love
You
it.
can say you love
But-
it if you didn't even feel nothing.
But you see, sometimes that's the way I love because I didn't feel it.
Oh, okay.
If I did feel it, probably I would have loved it.
Indra
right?
ba yes ka ba amin yes nung kayo.
But Indro, you I think all men in Aruba should do it.
Okay,
In general.
Normalmente na tabi sa tur ay body kasi test di sangue. Pero test sangue não mesmo coisa que o
No.
vai fisicamente test.
Claro.
It's not, it's
I
not the
have
same.
No. My doctor was the doctor in the hospital, also a woman doctor, Alex. no man doctor. She was very satisfied with the results,
Okay.
because
Do you get the results right away?
No,
well, you
no.
get not right away, but they tell you more or less
Yeah.
how things look.
They
And-
see if it's healthy or not.
Yeah.
So
and she
that's
saw
the
mine is
most-
very healthy. I'm very healthy, but I'm also in tune with my body. I'm also in tune. I listen to my body. I listen to everything what it asks and says,
Yeah.
and I continue with that.
Okay,
You
so
know?
they,
Basically,
they,
ito ang camera na demanda.
No pain, no pain. There's,
It's a thin camera. The cord it may be thick like this, like a cord. You don't feel anything, because maybe because of the sedation in the area. I
Yeah.
didn't feel anything. But it's a thin thing they put in with a camera, and they can also bite off things.
that's why I was gonna ask you. Biting.
They can clean things outside. What shouldn't be there is not negative or it's not bad, but it just clean the tube, so to speak. But all in all, it was a very nice experience, and I would encourage all men,
Okay.
to do that.
The
So-
time that you'll be.
You didn't want to.
Oh, it's just about half an hour.
You didn't want to come on the radio just to say that you did it, or you want to encourage men.
I want to encourage, not only to say I did it, but I want to encourage men in general, also the women. But women are more easier to do something
Yeah.
like that. But I want to encourage all men to really check it out, because, like I said, you don't want to come in the shoulda, coulda, woulda, because then it's too late already. And afterwards, like Indra, I said, it takes about half an hour, and after that you feel the results. You feel like,
happy that you did.
wow, you really feel happy that you did it, because now you know what your body is all about, what's going on.
And I think
so.
now that you've done it, it's easier for you to do it again in a couple of years.
Oh yeah, they're talking to me, come back in 5 years.
Okay,
so,
exactly.
so I'll be back in
now
5.
you're- yeah.
There's a song of Barry White that he's singing like, romantic song. I mean romantic. Maybe you can put one song like that behind you when they're doing it. Why are you laughing? I'm just asking something serious, man. You know the song of Barry White, don't you?
Yesterday when I was there,
Which is
one of the
song?
nurses asked me what music I would like to hear.
Oh,
I tell her, put me on some good old soul music. I don't want to get into the Barry White stuff because that's a little bit. But I tell her, put on some good old soul music for me. And they did put on some nice music in the background. Like it's a technique,
Like classic music.
Yeah, it's a technique thing, While one talking to you, keeping your mind off, the others are working.
I guess it's all in your mind,
Yeah.
right?
which is the most known Barry White song?
Oh boy. All the Barry White songs are the most known.
Just the way you are. Let the music play. Midnight,
Just the Way You Are.
Midnight and you.
Midnight and You is a good song.
Midnight and you. Okay, right. We're gonna finish with that.
Which one is the one that he comes up all sweaty?
Oh.
Have you seen that clip? Have you seen that clip?
Where he comes up all sweaty?
He comes up and I don't remember this song.
When did you
But
do
it's
the
a
test?
clip.
I did a test yesterday, and look at the energy I have today.
Yeah.
Yesterday when I went home, and by the way,
You like it, yeah.
they will tell you when you go home, you sleep, you what have you. Yesterday I went home, I was wide awake. I started working on my show for Sunday.
Oh.
So I want to encourage all men, do go and get your colon tested. Don't wait until it's too late, because when it's too late, then you have a real issue.
And you don't have to tell everybody about it. So
No, you don't have to tell everybody. You can do it. You can do it on your
nobody
own
knows, yeah.
privately.
You don't have to
I'm
be
just
like
bringing it
AJ
over.
and come to the
Come to
radio.
the radio.
and-
No, you don't
tell
have to
your
go through all of that.
experience.
I'm just bringing it over because I thought it was a good experience. I never did it. I was actually overdue with my age. We're going to talk about that. And so for me, it was really something positive and good to do. And I would encourage all the guys out there, also the macho guys who think they don't have to do that, do it, because when your body gives you a sign and you don't adhere to that sign, it's going to stop giving you signs. And once it stops giving you signs,
it's too late.
then it's too late.
And the reason you went ahead and do something like that is your body give you a sign, or you went for it?
I went for it because, like I said before, a friend of mine had it.
Okay.
And they caught it just in time.
Okay.
So he's still alive and doing well now.
And your friend, is he a healthy person?
He's
Like-
totally healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's totally healthy. So, and
All right.
he always keep encouraging me, do it. And I say, you know what happened? I'm going to do it.
Yeah.
I'm glad I did it. I would encourage you, Alex, to do it. Indra, you say you have an appointment already.
I'm not 40 yet, so I'm good.
You know, you can do it before 42. It's not like before, you know.
Okay.
Today, everybody can get it, no
Yeah.
matter your age.
All right, thank you, Gumbs.
Thank you so much. And don't forget to tune in on Sunday for the